I'ma head out then.
Yeah, I like you guys having USB issues.
Yeah, how you doing, man? How you been?
Yeah. You got the 224s now.
You got more power back there now, don't you?
Yeah. Oh,
You just sit silent like corpses while you keep piling that war shit. I said I silence your forces, silent. She can look like a walrus. Riding with Sublime and shit, so you can just go climb a dick.
It goes lower than that. I go down to like 4 hertz, like pretty good with wind.
Yeah.
Off my damn phone on the back.
Man, that thing cutting up, man.
It gets down.
What are you running in here now?
I got two 24s. They're like Brazilian sounds and with 24-inch baskets, the teams.
24s?
Yeah.
When you said 24, I didn't know what you were talking about.
I custom built them between me and Corey Otis. We got them to make stereo integrity 24s to have a 4-inch coil with RS motors.
Ooh.
So, and they're taking 16K each. Each one is getting.
You want one per coil?
Yeah, one per
each
side.
Man.
Yeah.
That thing cutting up. Did you have the same thing last year?
No, I had two 18s.
Okay, that's the difference.
Yep, so just slightly lower power. I'm only running an 8K each.
So. Each coil?
No, just one.
Okay, so both.
1 8K per sub on the 18s, and then I moved up to this, and we're just like, keep trying more power. So.
Okay. So you're not using all of them?
No, I'm using, these are running on just the 224s, and then these are running the highest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
They're all pretty tight.
Man, you got looking good.
Thank you.
Man, that's so good seeing you, man. Let them know where they can find you on social media.
I'm definitely on TikTok. I see your stuff all the time.
Okay, what's your name on there on TikTok?
JJanelle4.
Okay. Y'all be sure to give him a follow. I'm gonna tag him down below. Appreciate it, brother. It was good seeing you, man.
Have a good afternoon.
You got a line out here. rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.